Adding Individual Orders Module 3. This module will cover adding an individual order using both the workflow page and the Add Order screen. Let's start with order entry from the workflow page. You want to place an order for a stat CBC. Place your cursor in the search box and begin typing CBC. Notice the list of options opens below. The system provides you with the most commonly used order sentences. Select CBC Stat Today and Now. Notice the Orders for Signature box lights up green when you place an order from the workflow page. The number displayed in the box indicates the number of orders you've selected requiring signature. Click on the box. At this point, you could simply click Sign. If you want to review order details or make any modifications to your orders, click Modify. For this training video, we will select Modify. This is the Orders for Signature screen. The order sentence appears at the top and the order details are located below. To view order details, click on the sentence. Sometimes, due to the resolution of your computer screen, the fields in the order detail screens are hidden. The screen can be expanded by hovering over the double lines until opposing arrows appear. Left-click and drag upwards, pulling the screen into view. Notice most of the fields are already completed. To place the orders, click Sign. Now let's order metoprolol. Place your cursor in the search box and begin typing metoprolol. Notice the list of options below. The system provides you with the most commonly used order sentences. The dose you want is not listed in an order sentence. You have two options. Choose the drug without the sentence or choose a sentence and modify the dose. We'll choose metoprolol, tartrate 25 milligrams. Notice the Orders for Signature box lights up green when you place an order from the workflow page. Click on the box and then click Modify. Double-click on the order sentence to open the order detail screen. Using the drop-down dose field, change the dose to 12.5 milligrams. As you see, order detail fields can be changed to meet your needs. Our metoprolol is ordered BID. The start date time defaults into the next date and time a BID med would be given. If you wish to start the metoprolol in the morning, click on the drop-down arrow next to the requested start date and time field and select the date and time for the morning dose. Please note, the one field in order details that should not be changed is the route of administration. If you want an IV medication, choose the order sentence built for the IV version of the drug. The Order Comments tab should not be used in place of the Order Details screen. Hold parameters can be added under Ordered Comments. Let's type in hold for SBP less than 100. The order is now ready to be signed. Click Sign. In Module 2, we explained that the Quick Orders tab provides you with the most common orders, displayed in categories, to facilitate order entry. Let's move to the Quick Order screen to place our next order. Scroll down under Common Medications and click on famotidine, 20 milligrams oral, Q12 hours. Notice the Orders for Signature box lights up green when you place an order from the Quick Order screen. Click on the box and then click Modify. Double-click on the order sentence to open the order detail screen. You've decided you want your patient to have their first dose now. Use the Pharmacy Order Priority field to select Now. Once the Q12-hour order is changed to Start Now, a review schedule alert appears. If you click on the alert, you will open the requested start date and time screen. The date and time for the first dose has updated to the current time. Since the medication is ordered Q12 hours, the system displays the date and time the next scheduled dose would be given. You can opt to skip the next dose by checking the Skip Administration box. Your next administration would be displayed in the bottom field. To place the order, click Sign. We will now discuss placing orders using the Add Order screen. To access the Add Order screen, click on Add in the Orders section of the menu. Once in the Add Orders screen, there are two ways to search for your order. You can locate the order in the appropriate folder, or you can use the search box. Please note, the search filter can be set at Contains or Starts with, to better assist you in your search. Place your cursor in the search box and begin typing dopamine. Click on dopamine 800 milligrams, D5W, 250 ml drip. You'll notice the order sentence turns blue. This indicates the order has been selected. Your next step is to close the Add Order screen by clicking Done. The Order Details screen appears. Notice most of the fields default in except for Titration Parameter. Fields requiring completion displays as yellow. Let's choose Titrate to Map greater than 55 as our parameter. Since this is an IV infusion, we will want to look at the Continuous Details tab. This displays key details such as base solution, bag volume, additive details, rate, and normalized rate. Notice the patient's dosing weight defaults in from nursing documentation. The rate displayed was calculated using the documented dosing weight of the patient. If you were to change the dosing weight for this particular medication, the rate would recalculate by clicking in the rate field. Now that all the fields are completed, place your order by clicking Sign. You will notice from the order screen, your new order displays a status of processing. Refreshing your screen after placing an order will update the order to active. As we said earlier, one of the benefits of computerized order entry is real-time decision support and alerts related to duplicate orders, drug interactions, and allergies. Let's trigger an allergy alert by attempting to place our patient on penicillin. Click on Add in the Orders section of the menu. Begin typing penicillin into the search box. Select penicillin V potassium. Select your order sentence and click Done. You'll notice the indications field is yellow, meaning it must be completed prior to placing the order. Let's choose diverticulitis. Now click Sign. Since your patient has a documented penicillin allergy, the clinical decision support screen will fire when you attempt to sign the order for penicillin. You are being notified that your patient has an allergy to penicillin. You have two options: remove the new order or override the alert by providing a reason. We will select Physician Override. Keep in mind that decision support alerts should never replace the sound judgment of the provider. Once you've provided the override reason, click Continue and then refresh to make your new order active. In the next scenario, we will discuss saving a favored order and removing an order prior to signing. Click on Add in the Orders section of the menu. Begin typing BMP into the search box. Click on BMPN, select an order sentence, click OK, and then Done. The order appears in the Orders for Signature screen. To save the order as your favorite, right-click on the order and select Add to Favorites. The Add Favorites screen allows you to save favorites in specific folders that will meet your workflow. Let's create a lab folder to save our BMPN order. Click on New Folder, rename the folder Labs, and click OK. Your order for a basic metabolic panel in AM Tomorrow is now a saved favorite order. If you did not intend to actually place this order on your patient, you can remove the order prior to signing. Simply right-click and select Remove. To verify our BMP has been saved as a favorite, from the Add Order screen, click on the star icon. You'll notice our new Labs folder. Click to open the folder. Your BMPN order is there. This concludes Module 3.